In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the game keeps minimizing to your desktop on Windows 10 and 11. Now usually this is caused by some kind of game enhanced programs like Razer Synapse or Norton Game Optimizer. So if you have any of those kind of programs that are made to like optimize your gameplay or anything like that, I have Razer Synapse on this PC. Usually those things can cause that issue. So what you want to do is uninstall that program. Like I said, some of the popular ones are Norton Game Optimizer, Razer Synapse, and also there's a Logitech one. But if you have one of those, you want to uninstall that program and it can help fix your issue. Now, as well as what you can do is check if you have a Windows update. Check if you have one. If you have one, just take it. If you don't, what you can do is come to Device Manager, go in here, find your GPU, and update this one. Now this can also help fix the issue, but like I said, usually it's because you have some sort of background app running anywhere. So if you head down to Task Manager, go to the details in here, and from in here, what you can do is look for anything that you have opened. Now this can be any kind of program, like I have the Razer app right here. Try and close this down if you have it as well and see if it fixes the issue. Like I said, if you have the Norton Game Optimizer, it can also be that one. If you have some kind of Logitech Game Enhancer, it can also be that one. Just close down the background programs, because usually those are the ones that cause the issue. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.